everybody, it's the Kaiju Kid here, and for today's video, we're taking a quick look at the hideous Zippleback and Rough Nut and Tough Nut. This is one of my favorite dragons from the movies, and I decided to pick up the live action version. So it's a pretty big dragon. It's bigger than what I expected it was going to be. Here it is next to Optimus Prime, T-Rex, the new Superman, and Leonardo. And then the pulse ability is okay. The arms move, the legs move on Rough Nut and Tough Nut. You know, and the articulation is about the same for both figures. And then we're gonna look at the dragon. The heads can go all the way around, and you can move them up and down. Then the wings can move all the way around and go up and down. And then the legs don't go all the way around, but they can still move. The tail does not move. And to sit the riders on the dragon, there are pegs, and then there are holes in the legs of the figures, so you put them on the pegs. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.